So I found another signal and I wanted to share it with you guys. So please, my students who have already accessed my course, please go back to chapter 5, episode 3. Yeah, sorry. Yeah, episode 3, there's some updates to the strategy. The market changed a little bit in the last 3 months, and so we updated our strategy. So first, I'm going to open this first position as always with $100. As you can see, the market is trying to go over the Bollinger Bands, but yeah, I don't think that this would happen. So yeah, as I was saying, and those who don't have access to my course, please, you can access it from the description of this video, or you can go directly to binarystrategycourse.com, binarystrategycourse.com. So as you can see, I'm using 4 indicators, and please, guys, understand that relying only on technical indicators for your trading can be risky sometimes, because this can be limiting for many reasons. Indicators alone, yeah, the first win, beautiful. I guess the market will continue going up. So let me just, you know what? Let's take a look at the last position. Yeah. The market created a little bit of downtrend, then it was a clear uptrend. Yeah, I guess it's going up. Let's go up. Yeah, it's going up. So as I was saying, guys, technical indicators alone are not enough, because it can't predict and detect market sentiments or news events that can really significantly impact prices. So the events are the ones that are going to impact most of the times the market. Like companies earning reports, like lately, that big company that affected the market. Let me just take, yeah, the second way, like, yeah, 86%, beautiful. So as I was saying, also the events that happens in different countries also can affect the market. I guess, yeah, we are going up. Next, also an uptrend. There is also, let's go up with $100 as usual. Let's go up. Yeah, so as I was saying, fundamental analysis is also a good topic to consider when trading different assets, like understanding the company's earnings, what's happening with different companies, what's happening with different countries, growth potential of a company. This can provide insights that indicators will miss and won't be able to detect using only indicators. So yeah, fundamental analysis is a good thing. Yeah, another position. So till now we had market going up. This one is also an uptrend, an up position. Yeah. This was the beginning. It was going down. That's why. Yeah. Also this one. Yeah, I guess the market will flip now for a little bit. It will, yeah, see, it will go down. So let's open a lower position. Let's go down and just wait for it to see what will happen next. So as I was saying, don't trust only the indicators when you are trading, because indicators will rely on historical data too much, like too much historical data, and they are based on historical price data and patterns, which means that they reflect past market behavior, like the past. Like what you are seeing is calculating using the what happened in the past. And as you can see, as you already know, markets are dynamic, and past performance does not always predict future results, especially in volatile or changing conditions, like here in this case, binary options or crypto. The market will change a lot, and you can't only relay your trading plan or trading strategy on a on an indicator that uses the past data. This is risky. Just keep this in your mind. It's good, but it's risky. Using it alone is risky. Yeah. Yeah, I guess now the market will try to go up back. It will try to go up. Now that's what I'm going to do. Let's open a high position. Yeah, and just let's wait for it. Yeah, the lagging indicators. Uh, you must heard this term before. The like many indicators are lagging. This means that they provide signals after the market has already moved, potentially leading to delayed entry or exit points. Like the market, like the indicator is calculating data from what is already given by the market. Once they calculate it and give it to you, it's delayed and you are no longer moving with the market. Hope this makes sense. So the lagging indicators, just look it up this term, and you will understand what I'm saying here. Yeah, another win. So let's go. Yeah, and just wait for it. Also, indicators alone will give you false signals. Trust me. Use chart patterns. Use a good strategy that is not based on indicators alone. My strategy is not based on indicators alone. There's chart patterns. There is some methods like money management methods that is making it a winning strategy, because indicators alone will give you false signals and can generate false signals, especially in shopping sideways markets, like as I was saying on this asset Euro USD or crypto. This can lead to entry or exit trades prematurely. Yeah, prematurely, and this resulting in losses. Yeah, yeah. Let's go up again, and this time I guess that this is no, not the last trade. I guess we still have another trade to enter. So also there is this phenomenon that is known as analysis paralysis. Like when you are using too much indicators overload. So using too many indicators can lead to conflicting signals. So you have this indicator saying to go up, and the other indicator saying to go down, another indicator saying to go up, and conflicting signals. So this will cause confusion and indecision, and this is unhealthy and harm your trades. Yeah. So I guess we still have another position to open. We already at $1,000. I guess we already made $1,000. I guess I will open this last trade. So let's go down and hope that this is right. Yeah, I hope that this is going to be right. Yeah. Please, guys, remember I'm not a financial advisor in any way. I'm making these videos for entertainment purposes only. Um, yeah, I'm not saying that you will make the same amount of money as I'm doing here. Please remember, binary option is risky. This is just a simulation of what is possible to be done with binary options. You could lose your money from the first moment. So please be careful. Please keep learning. Education and research are important. Keep this in your mind. Learn, watch, take courses, watch videos, read books. Yeah, so great. I won. So hope that you enjoyed, guys, and see you later.